This demo is especially for proofreaders and for production quality assurance people who have to make sure that the changes on one pass of a document have been made correctly in the next pass or live copy of the document. On screen in Adobe Acrobat Reader, that's the free version, I have an example of a PDF that has been marked up for corrections. This is a lovely document available from the Government of Canada, into which I have inserted some ridiculous changes, as is my usual. Typically, you would get the second document, the live copy, the revised copy, up on screen, and then compare visually one copy to the other to make sure that all the changes have been made. When there are a lot of changes, or the changes are very picky, this can get hard. It's easy to miss a change. In another video, we have seen how to use the comments list as a quality assurance tool. This method I'm about to show is even faster. On the live copy, I'm going to open up the comments panel by clicking comments on the right. And we'll see there are no comments in this because no marks have been made on this copy yet. But on this little kebab menu here, I'm going to click Import Data File. I have not created a data file or done anything else than exactly what you see on screen, but I'm going to click Import Data File anyway. Then from my File menu, I'm going to select the original or the dead copy that I'm going to compare to. I'm going to close this comment bar for a second so you can see that all of the markup from this dead copy has been imported into the live copy. Now what I'm going to do is close my dead copy because all my marks have already been transferred over. And now I can simply go from comment to comment to check if the changes have been made correctly. Here I see they have crossed out whatever word was there and asked that cats be inserted. I can tap on the mark and simply press delete on my keyboard. I can go to the next comment or markup by using the comments pane or clicking on it directly. Again, that change was made, so I'm going to delete it. Now it's selected the next markup, which is down here. It looks like they deleted the word that was there, but they inserted the word cats with a lowercase c instead of an uppercase C. So I'm going to mark that up as a change. I'm going to right click and make sure I have the select tool chosen, and then I will click into the word cats, use the keyboard arrows to select the letter C, and then simply type the capital letter C. Because it's hard to tell the difference between a capital and a lowercase here, I will also include a note to production that this should be a capital letter. I'm putting that in between double square brackets as an indicator to my production team that that's an instruction and that they shouldn't insert the word cap as well. All right, continuing. Here's my next change. I wanted this letter to be capitalized. They have done that. And this word to be, whatever it was, to be replaced with cats. They have done that as well, so I'll continue deleting. And so far we've seen how this works well with traditional pen on paper kind of markup in a PDF, but it also works with those cross out and insert tools that are up at the top of the comment bar. You can see in the comments list we've now selected a cross out, so whatever was there we wanted erased and replaced with a capital letter R. That was done correctly, so I'll simply erase that mark. Select the insert R and erase that as well. Here we see we wanted an A period inserted, but that was not done. So I'm just going to leave that mark in place so that production is alerted that that needs to be done. And here the proofreader had indicated to delete whatever word was there and insert the word cats. I see the word cats in place, so that is correct. Now I have a proof correction, a pass 2 in which only the alts have been checked, only the alterations between dead and live copy have been checked, and only the changes that are outstanding, the ones that still need to be made, are in here. I can then close this document, save it, and pass it back to production for correction. For more tips on using Adobe Acrobat, especially this free reader program for markup of page proofs and other production flow, See the other tips on this blog.